Hi, I'm Hi.
And I'm Joanne Wilson.
And today I'm baking cookies with my boss. We have our AJ sour diesel.
Okay, great. Okay, this is the greatest thing ever. You just open this
Oh
up.
my god, it has a grinder built
Yes.
in.
Yeah, you kind of have to take off the bottom, and I'm not even stoned yet. Okay. Push the button. Voila! It's like a mini. It's so great for a party. We don't want to get too fucking baked. Okay.
Like I have to be able to be somewhat normal.
I can pretend, always.
To be normal?
Yeah, even if I'm totally baked. I'm not that high.
We can spend more.
I think we should. Baking is one of those things you kind of have to follow the rules.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not a good rule follower. We're gonna put the flour in. You just don't want to get too high when you're like,
How much did I?
cups?
Yeah, me.
I'm gonna pop that in.
Wait, how much butter does it call for?
It's for 3 sticks. I'm going to do this, which is I'm gonna get another stick.
That's the fridge.
You always put in sugar with the butter.
The first bowl, you mix all the stuff you wouldn't want to eat by itself. Flour, salt. And then this bowl is everything I would eat straight. Sugar and butter.
You know what? That is a really good way of looking at it. It's so true. Like this is, you could eat this. It's disgusting, but you could eat it. Oh, this is gross.
I would eat it.
Okay. Then you take it out. Did you want to taste it?
Yeah.
It's the best part. That's how you get sick.
Should we even bake it or should we just eat it like this?
We'd be really throwing up. Toss this in the sink. So,
Joanne has cheese paper.
isn't everyone? Should we get a little more high? I think we should. Yeah.
Put the whole eggs in there?
No, get the egg whites. Divide them. Do you know how to divide them?
Not really.
Okay, that's hilarious. Ooh. I want you to do it in this one just in case you fuck up.
Okay.
So that.
Okay, here we go. See if I was lying on my resume when I said I was a quick learner. Okay, honestly?
Nice job. Look at you.
When do I know to stop?
Not now. Push that button. There you go.
I did pick out some cookie cutters for us. So we have
Right.
butterfly, squirrel, flower, moon, reindeer. They really tell a story about who I am.
Yeah, who are you? You get a full body
Scan?
MRI. If you have claustrophobia, I don't
Recommend
recommend it.
How long were you in the machine for when
What
you
is
do
this
it?
for?
An hour.
An
Not
hour?
moving? Not moving?
And I have this cage over your face.
Wow, this is delightful.
Nice.
Ooh, did you hear that crunch?
Now we're fucking rocking. And I hope you guys didn't have plans this evening. It's taking forever.
Where do you two go? Wow.
Yeah, we're like a little machine. Should we open a bakery or?
There's no margin in bakeries. How many times I've done this shit? It's all about practice.
Practice.
Practice. Talking about practice. They look
Okay, so then we should
delicious.
spread.
We're a friggin' mess.
I'm getting crazy with
Oh
it.
my God! Look at you, Miss Creative.
You have an incredible sprinkle selection.
I figure it lasts forever, right? If there's
Yeah.
a nuclear holocaust, which we're like.
Pretty. Banksy. Identity of Banksy revealed. It's Joanne Wilson. I did a little yellow and red, so it made like a little gradient moment.
That's good. I like that. I think I need to get more stoned.
Mmm.
Oh, really good.
Oh, good. Thank you for watching Hi, I'm Hi. I'm Rachel, and this is Joanne.
Yeah, come to Gotham and get your high and high sweatshirts.
Weed and outfits from Gotham.
Yes.
Bye.